All right, guys, Model Rocks 321 here. Today we are starting the day off with the Drake. This right here is one of my favorite rockets. It's by Simrock. No, it is a Flis kit designed by Drake Demeraux, legendary model rocket designer. He made this great rocket with these forward swept fins, kind of remind you of a duck wings, duck while it's flying. And we're gonna be flying this on an E12 for today. So stay tuned and let's see what goes down. All right, so here we go. So we're gonna be flying this one today, guys. The winds are a little light winds today. It's not too bad. Should have a nice flight on this one. So here we go. We're gonna go on the Drake on the E12-4. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, he's way up there. Long burn. 4-second delay. And we got a puff and we got a parachute. Parachute is out. I don't want to take my eye off that. He's way up there. Yeah, he's way up there. He's drifting down. Still over the range. Winds are not bad, as long as he don't go in towards the sun. All right, yeah, it's good. He's up there pretty high, so. Okay, he's heading that way. You see it? Just seeing him because I'm kind of, I can see him in the sun just a little. Oh yeah, he's getting, okay, coming back to the air. He's, oh yeah. Yeah, he got up there pretty good, so. He got up there pretty good. If you've seen some previous flights, you'll know I'm out of an altimeter right now, so I will be getting one eventually. I have to do an order. And I'll get one heading on to me. Oh yeah, he got up there pretty good. There's been a chance. I wish I'd been able to get some altitude on this one because he was up there pretty good. And he's coming down. Should be touching down. There he is, right there, touching down. That's a nice on an E12. He got up there pretty good. So going to recover this, guys. Go on, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. I forgot to say, subscribe. Drop a comment. Also use my Estes discount code. Go to estesrockets.com, put in IN_321, get yourself a discount. Share the video, like the video, check the links below. I have a website, some stuff on there also for you. And this is how we do it. This is what we do. It's Model Rocks 321, and we'll be right back. Let me recover this guy. All right, so as we approach, here's the Drake. Nice, everything's together. He's laid out pretty good. Engine is in, fins are good. Piece of wadding got hooked on there. That's when you know it's a good flight when the wadding gets stuck on there. And we are good. We are good to go. So yeah, let's take a look around. Yep, cool. Model Rocks 321. Let's get on back. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are back again with another E12 4-motor launch. You just saw the Drake. Next up, you're going to see the red flare going on the E12. If you saw a launch a while back, I flew it on an E20-4, a white lightning, and it zoomed. This time, we're going to send the red flare up on an E12 4-motor. Should put it up there pretty nice. So let's give it a shot. It's Model Rocks 321. Also, subscribe, drop a comment, do all that good stuff. Thumb up the video. Here we go. All right, and here we go. We are going. Got the red flare on the E12, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. On an E12-4. And there's that puff, and we got parachute, and we got everything out. Rocket, there it is. There it is, coming down. I like that body with that reflective material. You can really spot them pretty quick as it hits the sun anyway. When you get a cloudy day, you might have some trouble, but there he is, coming down. Red flare. Nice rocket, becoming my favorite, or one of my favorites. It's coming down on the E12. Oh, coming down on the parachute. Motor was the E12. There we go. Real good. Check it out. And there he is. Touchdown. Look like he landed in the bush. Alright, let's get on over there and get that guy. It's Model Rockets. Subscribe to the channel, guys. You're going to recover the red flare. All right, so as we approached the red flare, you see it didn't even touch the ground. He got caught up in one of these desert mesquites. I don't know if it's a desert mesquite or not, but definitely some kind of bush. And the red flare, oh, that's gonna be tangled. I guess I'll get the body first. Let's see what we got. Interesting, all right. So get you out, shroud lines. And trying to do this with one hand is kind of wacky. Gonna take a second. So there we go. Super flight of the red flare. The red flare, like I said, is becoming a favorite. I mean, it's a nice flying rocket. I mean, it twirls and winds up into the sky. Not necessarily a straight flight, but it kind of, beasts its way up into the sky. It's the beast. It's Model Rocks 321. Subscribe for more fun. Let's go. So, I want to say, stay tuned for the debriefing. We'll take a look at these 2 flights for the day, just 2 quick ones. Got some things to do. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more. Model Rocks 321. Let's go. Greetings, humans. Thank you for tuning in to another launch. Today you saw 2 quick flights, 2 E12 motor flights. I revisited and brought out the red flare again. A great sport flyer, a great one. Pick yourself up one of these if you don't have one yet. Great flying rocket, super performer, I'm gonna call it. Flew it on a E20-4 a while ago, and this time it went up on the E12 for one of the recommended motors, the longer, the E-longs, longer than the D12 and all that stuff. Nice flight on this motor. You saw it haul up into the air, it came down, landed in that bush. Didn't even touch the ground. The red flare, really nice. When the sun hits this body, it reflects, so you can spot it a little bit easier. Very good, super stable rocket. These are a little flimsy, but they flex around a little bit, but great rocket until one of these break. But up until that point, you got yourself a good flying rocket. The red flare was pretty cool. Good flight on that one. And you also saw the Drake. You saw the Drake first, I'm sure, but you saw the Drake. This is a Flis design, Flis rocket designed by rocket designer named Drake Demeraux. Look at those fins. I believe you can put quarters in these fins. There's talks of that. I've never done it. I'm trying to see if there's a quarter sitting around. I don't see one. There's one in the change thing. I'm not gonna. Yeah, I can't get it. But some people have flown these with quarters in here. I believe that was a thing. It didn't come with any decals, this rocket, so I had to do all my own thing. Right there, that's a ding from way back. I think it swung around and hit the edge of a fin. Didn't damage the fin, but that's what happened there. Again, on the E12, really nice high flight, really stable rocket. Got that top dorsal fin. Just a unique, cool design. Like, I love this. I love looking at like all the angles, like all these different angles. That's why I kind of added all these different markings and stuff. I've flown this a few times. This is on the channel. If you check the archive, you'll see flights of this guy. We've been flying this one for many years. One of those veteran rockets of mine. Been in the collection and get some sky miles on them. Get some sky miles. So I know I did some extra tape because I've been kicking motors out lately. So I threw a little tape on there. Yeah, another E12. This was an E12 day. So 2 E12s, the red flare and the Drake. Not related. So great flying day for rocketry. Yeah, so that's gonna close this video out. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, share the videos around, hit the thumb up button, make a copy of the link and send it to some friends, put it in groups. If you like the content, if you want to share it around, feel free. That's all fine with me. Hit the thumb up, add a like to the video, comment, check the past videos, check the post, check the community section, check everything, and support any way you can. Appreciate you guys. Still out here doing this rocketry, and that's what we're going to continue to do. And shout out to you for tuning in. It's Model Rocks 321, and I am out. Red flare and the Drake. Stay tuned for this video coming right up.